very happy and cheerful morning to all my children. So children, here I am, and today we are going to continue with the subject English, chapter number 6, the tree. Okay, so as you all know, in our previous video we discussed about the meanings and few more are left. Okay, so this is the second part where today we are going to discuss with the remaining meanings. Okay, so here we have on page number 3838 on your textbook. Okay, let's start from here. Keenly. Okay, it means eagerly. The judge looked at the participants eagerly. He's waiting to hear something. It's waiting eagerly. Okay, that is keenly. Next we have mount. Okay, so the word mount. Mount means a large pile of earth or stones, a small hill. Okay, mount means it's a small hill. Over here we have, there was a small temple on the top of the grassy mount. Okay, the mount word, see here you have the spelling M-O-U-N-D. Okay, so that means small hills. The next one, nature's body. Okay, nature's gifts like fruits, flowers, trees, water, air, sunlight, these everything. That is nature. That is all the things that we have naturally. Okay, that is God made. So we call it nature's bounty. The next one, outlandish. The third one we have outlandish. Outlandish. The child says it's very outlandish. It seems too strange. Okay, it's unbelievable. Okay, it's strange. Next one we have quaint. Quaint means attractive in an unusual way. Okay, she says, what a quaint story. Okay, it's really a long back. It's an old-fashioned story. Okay, so that is quaint. The next one we have relayed. The word relayed. Relayed means received and transmitted by radio signals or television broadcast. Okay, see, you have seen cricket matches and everything live. Okay, so those are what? These are all passing through the radiation. That's through all to the broadcast. So that is relayed. Okay, the next one we have saplings. Very young trees or plants. In the story we have heard that Anshna and Dev, they brought saplings for all the children. Okay, the Pentoid children and Earth children, Meena, Arun, they gifted saplings. They gifted small plants or small trees, okay, in a pot. So that is sapling. The next one we have scorching. The word scorching. Scorching means burning or slightly damaging a surface by making it too hot. The next one we have steering. You say steering, okay, moving in the same direction or moving in a particular direction. We call it steering. The next one we have tapped. Tapped means reminded. Okay, here when they were asked about the earth, the nature's bounty, she told, who? Sarabhai told the children that you have tapped my memory. Okay, that means you have reminded me of all those things in the past. Okay, the next one we have tattered. The word tattered means old or torn one. Okay, the next one triggered off, set in action, just to put on a start. Okay, trigger. Underneath, the animals, the birds, they all rest. Okay, so that is underneath, under the trees, below the trees. Okay, somewhere below. Weird. Weird means strange. Okay, something odd. We call it weird. And the last one, wiped out. Wiped out means removed completely. When you are just removing something completely. We call it, we have wiped it out. Okay, on the board also we say we have just wiped it out, that is wiped out. Alright, so children, the meanings, I want all of you to just read it out. Okay, and then you have to write these meanings in your notebook. Okay, children, I want all of you to take your textbook with you, page number 4747. Okay, over there we have few blanks where filling the blanks with correct pronoun from the box. Okay, so on your right side we have box where we are having 8 words already there to choose. Okay, so from there we are going to choose the correct word and we are going to solve this. Okay, so it's a drag and drop game. Okay, let's read the first question. I have often seen her talking to. From the box, which is the answer? Talking to herself. Okay, yes, very good. Let's go for the second one. We hid blank behind the curtain. What will be their answer? From the box? Yes, we hid ourselves behind the curtain. Okay, very good. Let's go for the third one. Blank yourself asked for it. Which is the pronoun? You. You yourself asked for it. Okay. Fourth, blank, this is the shop. Blank sells books. So, this is the shop. This is the shop. Blank sells books. Which sells books. Okay, let's go for the next one. This is the waiter, blank, served us yesterday. This is the waiter who served us yesterday. Okay, next, blank are some difficult questions. We have are. Okay, so that will be these. These are some difficult questions. And the last one. This book is blank. This book is mine. Okay, so very good children. Here we have completed with the exercise. Okay, so I want all of you to write it down in the book while you're watching this video. Okay, and you can also try solving it before ma'am answers it. Okay, so here we are winding up for the day. All of you take care. God bless you.